Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to create an AWS free tier account. So you can go to aws.amazon.com/free, and you can also search in Google to get into this link. And here you can click on create a free account. So I'm going to use email address for root user email address. Okay, and let me enter the email address, acomputerguru.tech@outlook.com. Okay, verify email address. Okay, enter the captcha and click on verify email address. And you'll be getting a verification code on the email address that you have mentioned. Okay, it's you. Your email address has been successfully verified, and you need to enter the root user password. Okay, next, continue step 1 of 5. And here you need to fill this information. Okay, so I'm going to fill how do you plan to use AWS. So it's going to be personal and the full name, and enter the phone number and the country or region, and enter the address, city, and the postal code. Okay, and in the next step, you need to fill the billing information like credit or debit card number, the expiration date, and the cardholder name and CVV. Okay, so once you have provided your card information, then it will ask for you the OTP, and then 2 rupees from your account will be debited for the authorization. And then you will be in this page, confirm your identity, which is the step 4 of 5. So here you can choose how should we send you verification code, either SMS or voice call. I'm going to choose text messages, SMS. Okay, and then it will ask you to enter the verify code that you got in your mobile. Okay, so next, click on continue step 4 of 5. Okay, here you will ask, you need to select a support plan. So I'm going to use for a basic support free. So you can choose according to your support plan and complete sign up. Okay, so you will get a message. Congratulations. Thank you for signing up for AWS. We are activating your account, which should only take a few minutes, and you will receive an email when this is complete. And just click on go to the AWS Management Console. Okay, so here you may need to enter the role and interested in. So you can just click on submit. Okay, just click on sign into the console. And you would have also got an email from AWS saying, thank you for creating an Amazon Web Services account, and it will be free for next 12 months, and you will have a free access to all the AWS services within the limit of the free tier. And here you can log in with the email address that you have signed up for the root user and with the password. Okay, and then you can click on next. Then you need to enter the password. Okay, so now I'm able to log into the Amazon AWS console. So it just shows the quick tour where you can access the service menu, and here you can choose the preferred language, set a default region, and manage other console settings. Okay, and here you can search for any resources like AC2 instances, S3 buckets, and more. So just click on done. Okay, to view all the services, you can click on the services, and you can also search with the service name under the search bar. And you can also check the accounts, the settings, all those information here. And you can see the region, and you can select a different region from here. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.